हाय हेलो बच्चों, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल मैथ्स से लगे रहो। इन टुडेस क्लास वी आर लर्निंग application of derivative remaining MCQ questions, dear students. Now let us see the question number 12. In second derivative test, if f dash of c is equal to 0 and f double dash of c is greater than 0 for some c on an interval I, then the function f attains what? Very simple question, dear students. We have to answer here which is the correct option here. So which matches correct option here, dear students? So now see here, f dash of c is equal to 0 they had given. So f dash of c is equal to 0 if f double dash of c is greater than 0 means what? Double derivative 0 ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ರೆ then it is called as what? Minimum value, dear students. Which minimum value? That is local minimum value, dear students. This is called as what? Local minimum value, dear students. So our option is what? D, dear students. D for Delhi. Delhi is our answer. I hope it is clear for you. Double derivative ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 0 ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ರೆ then we can say it is a local minimum value, dear students. So minimum value will get, if double derivative is less than 0 means local maximum value we can say, dear student. Here it is what? Double derivative is greater than 0 means positive. So then it is called as what? Local minimum value, dear students. I hope it is clear. We will see the next question. Please copy this one. Let us see the next question, dear students. Question number 13. The absolute maximum value of the function f given by f of x is equal to x cube. X belongs to minus 2 is what? That answer we have to say. Absolute maximum and local maximum difference is what, dear students? In simple word I will say, absolute maximum will be having interval. Those local maximum will be not having intervals, dear students. Interval रहता है but they will be not given in our questions. In simple you have to think this one. Yes or no? I hope it is clear. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಅಬ್ಸಲ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಇದು ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜು ಅಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್, ಅಬ್ಸಲ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, लोकल मैक्सिमम ನಲ್ಲಿ इंटरवल ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. एब्सोल्यूट मैक्सिमम में इंटरवल रहता है, लोकल मैक्सिमम में इंटरवल नहीं देता. इतना ही डिफरेंस याद रखो बस. दिस मच इज मोर इनफ फॉर अस. सो नाउ सी हियर, so how to get the answer now? So f of x is what? X cube. So we have to find the derivative of x cube. X cube derivative is what, dear students? That is 3x square. F of x derivative is f dash of x. So then you have to make this as equal to 0. You know everyone, f dash of x is equal to 0. F dash of x is what? 3x square is equal to 0. 3 you send down. 0 by 3 is what? 0. X square is equal to 0, dear students. Square if you send this side, square root of 0 is 0 only, dear students. X value I got 0, dear students. Understood? So now see here, how to find the values now? F of minus 2. Interval is what? Minus 2. This square bracket says what? We are including minus 2, dear students. Minus 2. Next number is what? Minus 2 होने के बाद 0 भी आता है. So x value we have got or not this one? You have to find this value also. So now next is what? F of 2. So 2 is also there, 2 is also included. Clear? So 2 we can write like this otherwise. Okay. So now see here, minus 2. F of x is what? X cube. In place of x you observe. In place of x what it is? Minus 2. So you have to write here minus 2 whole cube. Minus 2 cube is minus 8, dear students. Agree? And next is what? X plus 0. 0 cube is 0. And x plus 2 is that 2 cube is 8. In this, which is maximum, dear students? Which is maximum? ಇದರೊಳಗೆ ಯಾವುದು ದೊಡ್ಡದಿದೆ? So minus 8, 0, 8. Which is the greater? That is 8, no? So then our answer is what? Absolute maximum value is equal to 8, dear students. So then our option is what? D. D for Delhi is our answer. So please copy this. We'll go for the next question, dear students. Fine. Copy this. So let us see the next question, dear students. Question number 14. The total cost of C of x in rupees associated with the production of x units of an item is given by C of x is equal to 0.005 x cube minus 0.02 x square plus 30x plus 5000. Then the marginal cost when 3 units are produced, whereby marginal cost we means the instantaneous rate of change of total cost at any level of output, dear students. So this is the given question. We have to find here what? So marginal cost is given for us. We have to find the marginal cost only. They are given a production of each unit, dear students. Total cost is given for us. Then we have to find what? Marginal cost. Already you know that in previous videos we have discussed in first video. So marginal cost means what? Just you have to take the derivative of C of x, dear students. So derivative of C of x, I will write here only answer. So answer you see derivative of C of x. So d of, this is the derivative of C of x I am taking with respect to x, because all the functions are x. So now 0.005 constant into function, constant is written as it is. Derivative of x cube is what, dear students? X cube derivative is 3x square minus again constant into function 0.02 x square derivative is how much? 2x, dear students. So now 30x derivative constant is written as it is 30, x derivative is how much? 1, dear students. 30 into 1 is 30 only, I will not write 1. So 5000 derivative constant derivative is how much? 0, dear students. So now this is what the derivative will get, and you already know, dear students, how many units it is having now, how many units they are produced. So the marginal cost when 3 units are produced, that means x value they are given it as what? 3, dear students. So 3 value you have to substitute in this. 0.003 into 3 square, x value is 3. So I am putting here x value, dear students, as a 3. Understood? So 3 value you put, how much you will get, you see 0.022 into 3 plus 30. So how much you will get, you see total, if you do the simplification, you will get answer as 30.015, dear students. Simplification you can use by calci, you will get the answer this one. So this answer is matching with what option? C, dear students. So C for cake is our answer, dear students. So please copy this. We will go for the next question, dear students. I hope all of you have copied. Now let us see the next question, dear students. Question number 15. The function f given by f of x is equal to x square minus x plus 1 is neither strictly increasing nor decreasing on minus 1 to 1, decreasing on half to infinite, increasing on minus infinite to infinite, increasing on minus infinite to half. 4 options they are given. Which is the correct one? You have to observe very carefully. You have to solve, dear students, because this question is really interesting question. Why it is interesting, you will understand why. You see here. So first you write the given equation or given function. F of x is what? X square minus x plus 1. Derivative of this is f dash of x. F of x derivative is f dash of x. X square derivative is 2x. X derivative is 1. That is minus 1. Because minus sign is here. 1 derivative is 0. I will not write. Next step, what we will do? F dash of x equal to 0 you will write. Yes, sir. So now I have to find the x value. So f dash of x is what? 2x minus 1. 2x minus 1 is equal to 0, dear students. So minus 1 you take this side, it will become plus 1. X is equal to how much? 1 by 2 you will get, dear students. X value I got 1 by 2. So now you have to observe here where the function is increasing and decreasing. In the previous video I had discussed with you. So when a function will increases, f dash of x is greater than 0 means it is strictly increasing. F dash of x is what? Greater than 0 means it is strictly increasing. And if it is f dash of x is less than 0 means strictly decreasing, dear students. Strictly decreasing. So keeping in mind, we have to check whether it is a greater than 0 or what? Less than 0, dear students. Clear? So now let us work on this. Point is already known. That is what half. Half I will write, and this is infinite and minus infinite. So here half less than half is minus 1 is also there, and here more than half is 1 is also there. So because in the options they are given minus 1 and 1 also, so that's why I had included here. So more than half means how much? More than half. Half means how much? Half means, you can see half means what? 0.5. Will you agree? Half means 0.5. So more than that is what? 0.6 we can take. More than 0.5 is what? 0.6. If you substitute in derivative I have to check whether it is greater than 0 or less than 0 we will get. If I put f dash of x, that is 2x minus 1. X is what? 0.6 we are putting minus 1. Correct? X value is taken as what? 0.6 now. If I put 2 into 0.6 is what? That is 1.2 minus 1, which is giving what? 0.2, which is greater than 0 or not. That means function is increasing, where half to 1 function is increasing. Clear everyone? So now I will erase this, dear students, to make you understand. I had used the example, dear students. So now see here. Next, what I will take? Half say less than 0.5, less is how much? 0.4. Now you put in this f dash of x. 2x minus 1 is there, x is what? 0.4. 0.5 ಗಿಂತ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇದ್ರ ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ? 0.4 ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ f dash of x ನಲ್ಲಿ. So minus 1, how much will get? 2 into 0.4 is 0.8 minus 1. So 0.8 minus 1 is how much? That is, it will become a minus 0.2, dear students, which is less than 0. That means from minus 1 to 1, it is increasing. Half to 1, it is increasing. Minus 1 to half, it is a decreasing, dear students. So then our option we can say here, that is option A, dear students. Neither strictly increasing nor decreasing. So minus 1 say 1 may. So it is what? It is increasing and decreasing. That's why we can say it is what? Neither strictly increasing nor decreasing, dear students. Ille increase aagta ide, decrease aagta ide. So that's why we can't judge that minus 1 to 1 what will happen here. So it is what? In either increasing nor decreasing, dear students. Our option, it will matching with A. A for awesome is our correct answer. I hope you have understood, I feel. So please, if you are understanding, please like my channel. Don't forget. So please copy this. We'll see the next question. Let us see the next question, dear students. Question number 16. The function f of x is equal to 2x cube minus 15x square plus 36x plus 6 is increasing in the interval. What? So we have to see here. First you write interval. We have to see where it is. The function is increasing. Increasing means everyone know, dear students, f dash of x is greater than 0. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗುರ್ತಿದೆ. इंक्रीजिंग फंक्शन ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? f dash of x is greater than 0. सबको पता है f dash of x is greater than 0. Don't forget. So now see here. So given function you write f of x is 2x cube minus 15x square plus 36x plus 6. So derivative of this. So 2x cube derivative, that is 6x square. We can write x cube derivative is 3x square. 2 3s are 6x square. Directly we are writing. So x square derivative is 2x. 2x into 15 is 30x. Constant is written as it is. 36 constant again as it is. X derivative is 1. 36 into 1 is 36. Plus 6 is 0, dear students. So now see here. What is common, dear students, in this? What is common? 6 is common. So 6 is taken common. X square remains. 6 5s are 30. So x is written as 6 6s are 36. So we have to split this one. I have to get here as a 66. Now see here, very easy. We can do this. So now I will do. If I add the numbers, no roots, I have to get it as a minus 5. If I multiply, I have to get it as what? 6, dear students. So plus 6. So that's why I will take it as here. minus 2 minus 3 dear students. So minus into minus plus 2 3s are 6. If I multiply I will get plus 6. If I add them minus 2 minus 3 is how much? Minus 5. Then you have to write directly here x dear students. So this is the easy method, normal method it is. Shortcut method you can say, not normal, shortcut method dear students. Maths lecture shortcut. So here if coefficient is 1 means directly you can write like this. Fine, I hope it is clear for everyone. So next step what we will do, f dash of x is equal to 0 you will put. So if I put this as 0, what will happen? 6 into x minus 2, x minus 3 equal to 0. 6 will go that side, x minus 2, x minus 3 equal to 0. X minus 2 equal to 0. X minus 3 equal to 0 dear students. Will you agree? So 6 has sent this side, 0 by 6 is 0 only. So x minus 2 is equal to 0, x minus 3 is equal to 0. You have learned in 10th standard only, don't forget. So minus 2 if you take this side, plus 2, x is equal to 2, and here minus 3 if you take this side, plus 3, x is equal to 3. So now where it is increasing, just we have to see where the function is increasing. Question try to understand now, why you are forgetting the question. That is they are asking what? Increasing function, no dear students. So you have to concentrate on what? Increasing dear students. So now let us see, points are given, that is 2 and 3. This is what we have got. So 2 and 3 we have got. So now see here, it is what? Up to infinite, minus infinite. So you tell me, more than 3 which is there? 4 is there, more than 3, 5, 6, anything you can take. But smaller number I will take dear student, because to make avoid simplification more difficult, you know. So I am little bit lazy also. I am sorry. So even you will also feel more far much better. So while doing simplification. So if I take 4, I have to check whether this is a greater than 0 or not. Yes or no. So if I put 4, what will happen you see. So 4 minus 2, 4 minus 3. So 4 minus 2 is what? 2. 4 minus 3 is 1. Positive or positive or positive. Means what? All are positive means it is greater than 0 or not. 6 into 2 is 12. 12 into 1 is 12. I mean 12 into 1 is 12 only. Yes or no? 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 into 6 is 12. 4 minus 3 is 1. 1 into 12 is 12. 12 is greater than 0 or not? Yes, no? So that means what? Here it is positive. 3 to infinite it is positive dear students. So now I will erase this one below. Now next number you have to check dear students. So next is what? In between 2 and 3. 2 and 3 which number we can take? That is 2.5 you can take. Yes or no in between? So 2.5 if you take, what will happen? 2.5 minus 2, 2.5 minus 3. See here, 6, this is 2.5 minus 2 is 0.5. 2.5 minus 3 is minus 0.5. Will you agree? See here, plus into plus, plus. Plus into minus, minus no. Minus means what? Negative. Negative means it is less than 0. Less than 0 means here it is what? Negative dear students. So negative. So which is decreasing there. 2 to infinite it is decreasing dear students. Less than 0 it is giving. So next one you have to check now. So less than this is how much? So how much you will get? Less than 2. Less than 2 is what? 1 we can take. 1 you substitute. 1 minus 2, 1 minus 3. So 6 into 1 minus 2 is what? Minus 1. 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Will you agree? Plus into minus, minus, minus into minus, plus. That means here it is increasing. Greater than 0 dear students. I hope it is clear for everyone. So where the function is increasing now? Can you see the intervals here? Minus infinite to what? Therefore, minus infinite to 2 it is increasing, and union again where? 3 to infinite it is increasing dear students. They had asked increasing not decreasing. Decreasing means 2 to 3 open interval. Got it? So which is the option matching you can see? That is the option matching with the A dear students. A for awesome. Awesome is our answer dear students. I hope it is clear for everyone. So please copy this. We'll go for the next question. Let us see the next question dear students. So question number 17. The interval on which the function f of x is equal to 2x cube plus 9x square plus 12x minus 1 is decreasing is something similar question. Yes or no? So now how to solve this one? You observe here, dear students. So first you write the given function as is f of x 2x cube plus 9x square plus 12x minus 1, dear students. Will you agree? So derivative of this f dash of x is what? Derivative 2 3s are 6x square. X cube derivative is 3x square. 3 2s are 6x square. So x square derivative 2x are 2x into 9, that is 18x. Yes sir. So directly I am saying, dear students, constant we can write 9 as it is. X square derivative is 2x. 2x into 9 is 18x. You know everyone this one. So simple it is calculation. 12 is written as it is. So x derivative is 1. So minus 1 is 0, dear students. So we got this much. And what is common, dear students, here? Observe what is common. 6 is common. X square plus 6 3s are 18, 6 2s are 12, dear students. 6 into x square is 6x square. 6 3s are 18, 6 2s are 12, dear students. So again split this like just now I told. So again here coefficient is 1. So then shortcut how you can do? So I have to get plus 2. That means I will take here plus 2 plus 1. Is it okay? Plus into plus plus 2 1s are 2. So if you add them 2 plus 1 is what? 3. Plus 3 is there or not? So just you have to write here x. Clear? So next what we will do? F dash of x equal to 0, dear students. So now f dash of x equal to 0 means what? What is f dash of x? F dash of x is what? 6 into x plus 2 x plus 1 is equal to 0. Will you agree? 6 if you send down, it will become 0. 0 by 6 is what? 0 only. So x plus 2 x plus 1 equal to 0. So as you know quadratic equation, how you will write? X plus 2 is equal to 0. X plus 1 is equal to 0. Will you agree everyone this? So now see here. X is equal to what? Plus 2 if you take this side, minus 2. So plus 1 if you take this side, minus 1, dear students. So x values I got easily. Yes sir. So now the once again we will see the question. What that asks? See, interval you have to find and the function should have to decreasing. Decreasing they are asking, dear student. Decrease means f dash of x is less than 0. F dash of x is what? Less than 0, dear students. So observe here how we can get the answer. That is minus 2 will come first, then minus 1. So this is infinite and this is minus infinite. Correct? So now see here what will happen. So we will substitute the values in f dash of x. We have to check f dash of x is what? 6 into x plus 2 into x plus 1. This is the derivative what we have got. Now you put the values. More than minus 1. What number is there? More than minus 1. That is 0. You can get the answer here. 0, 1, 2, 3 will write no. So 0 you can put. 0 is easy to solve. 0 plus 2, 0 plus 1. See, 0 plus 2 is plus 2. 0 plus 1 is plus 1. Plus into plus only. That means here it is positive, dear students. So I don't want that one because it is decreasing. I want. Yes, later we will discuss that also. So now minus 2 minus 1. What value we can take in between this? Minus 2 and minus 1. We can take it as here what? Minus 1.5. Will you agree? Minus 1.5. So now f dash of x. What it will become, you see? Minus 1.5 plus 2. Minus 1.5 plus 1. X value I am substituting at minus 1.5. X in a ಬೆಲೆಯನ್ನು ಏನು ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ? Minus 1.5 ಅಂತ ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. So now minus 1.5 plus 2, 0.5. 2 minus 1.5 is what? 0.5. Minus 1.5 plus 1, minus 0.5, dear student. So plus into plus into minus is minus. So that is negative it is giving, dear students here. It is what? Negative. So I will erase that point. So this is negative, dear students. Clear everyone? So next is what? Minus 2 से भी कम. Minus 2 गिनता कमी. क्या हो जाए next number? Minus 2 से भी कम इस तरफ. ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ ಈ ಸೈಡ್ minus 3 will come. So substitute minus 3 now. Minus 3 plus 2 minus 3 plus 1. So what you will get? Minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. Minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. So my plus into minus minus. Minus into minus plus, dear students. Plus means what? Again it is greater than 0. So it is plus. In that interval it is greater than 0. I will erase this because for your understanding purpose I am writing this all. So now see here. Where it is decreasing, you only say. Where it is negative, minus 2 to minus 1. So therefore f is decreasing. F is decreasing in the interval what? Decreasing in minus 2 to minus 1, dear students. So this is our required answer. Our option is matching with B. B for bingo. Bingo is our answer, dear students. I hope you are understanding. So please copy this. If you are understanding and liking this video, please like my channel. Don't forget, once again I am reminding. So because each like will inspires me to do the next video, dear students. Everything you are seeing now. Like I have to come and say or what? I have to take your hand and press on the like button. So please press the like button. So we'll see the next question. Okay? So please copy this. Let us see the next question, dear students. Question number 18. Which of the following functions is decreasing in 0 to pi by 2? Very easy, dear students. Let us see the first question. That is option A is given as f of x is equal to cos x. So what is the derivative of cos x, dear students? F dash of x is cos x derivative is minus sin x. So sin x is positive in 0 to pi by 2. So you can remember this one. Can you remember after school to college? We have discussed this one. After school to college. So that means in first quadrant 0 to pi by 2 means all the trigonometric ratios are positive. Sin x, cos x, tan x, cosec x, cot x, all are what? Positive here, dear students. All 6. Sec x also will come. All 6 are will positive in 0 to pi by 2, dear students. So that means sin is positive in this means positive into negative. Negative means what? Less than 0, no? In first quadrant, see, in first quadrant, that is nothing but what? 0 to pi by 2. In first quadrant, sin x is positive. In 0 to pi by 2 also I can say. In first quadrant, sin x is positive in the 0 to pi by 2. I am saying interval. Interval, it is positive. Positive into negative is what? Negative. So therefore, we can say f dash of x is less than 0, dear students. Negative means what? Less than 0. Less than 0 means decreasing. So that we can say option A is correct. So why these are not correct? Not correct. I am saying, see here. Sin x derivative is what? Cos x. Cos x is positive in first quadrant. Positive into positive. So f dash is greater than 0. Cos x positive irutta first quadrant nalli. So positive into positive ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಾ? Greater than 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So that's why it is a wrong option. Sin 2x is also 2 into cos 2x. Again it is positive in cos 2x is positive in what? 0 to pi by 2. So that's why again it is a positive. Tan x derivative sec square x. Sec is also positive in 0 to pi by 2. So that's why our option is not matching with B, C, D. Only option A is correct. A for awesome is our answer. So please copy this. We'll see the next question. Let us see the next question, dear students. Question number 19. The function f given by f of x is equal to log of sin x is increasing on what? Very easy question, dear students. Increasing means what? F dash of x is greater than 0. How many times I can repeat the same thing? F dash of x is greater than 0 means that is increasing, dear students. F dash of x is less than 0 means decreasing, dear students. So now see here what we'll get. F of x is what? Log of sin x, dear students. Log of sin x. So derivative, we have to see. F of x is given function. Derivative of this. This is looking like how? Log x. You also know, I also know. ನಿಮಗೂ ಗುರ್ತಿದೆ ಇದು x ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನನಗೂ ಗುರ್ತಿದೆ. So log x derivative is what, dear students? Log x derivative is 1 by x but this is not x, no. Derivative of sin x is what? Cos x. ಅದು ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದ್ರ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಅದ x ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದ್ರ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಇದು x ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದರ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? cos x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ए x नहीं है तो उसका डेरिवेटिव लेना ही पड़ता है. सो नाउ सी हियर, ए x माने थे आप, x नहीं है ना वो, x नहीं तो उसका डेरिवेटिव cos x होता है. सो cos x into 1 is cos x, 1 into cos x is cos x divided by sin x is equal to how much? Cos by sin is cot x, dear students. So now cot x is increasing or not? We have to see in which interval it will increases. Just now we have seen after school to college. So that is 0 to pi by 2 and pi 3 pi by 2 2 pi, dear students. So now 0 to pi by 2 cot x is positive or not? All the trigonometric ratios are positive. I told just ನಾನು ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ, 0 to pi by 2 ಒಳಗ ಎಲ್ಲ trigonometric ratios ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇರ್ತಾವೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಸೊ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇದ್ರೆ cot x is positive, no? Positive means what? It is increasing or not? Increasing, no? 0 से ज्यादा है वो. So then our option is what? A for wholesome is correct. But why others are wrong? See here, 0 to pi by 2 it is increasing. Pi by 2 to pi. See here, pi by 2 to pi means what? Cot x is negative here, dear students. Why? In second quadrant sin and cosec are positive. Other all the ratios are negative. So that's why here it is increasing, here it is decreasing. So that's why this is not a correct option. So next is 90 to pi. 90 to pi means what? Again second quadrant negative. Just now we are told second quadrant it is negative. Negative means what? Less than 0. This is also gone. So now 270, 3 pi by 2, 272, 2 pi, 360. What this is? This is coming in fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant it is what? Positive or negative? It is a negative, dear students. In fourth quadrant what? Cos and sec are positive, but cot is negative. Cot is negative means it is less than 0 again, dear students. That's why fourth option is also not correct. Option A is correct. Option A for awesome is correct, dear students. I hope it is clear. We will see the next question. Please copy this one. Let us see the next question, dear students. Question number 20. The function f given by f of x is equal to log sin x is decreasing on what? So f of x is what, dear students? F of x is log of sin x, dear students. Same to same question. Just now we have discussed, not same. There it is increasing, here it is decreasing. That much only. Derivative you can take f dash of x is what? I will not explain much more. Log x derivative is 1 by x. But this is not x. Not x means the derivative of sin x is what? Cos x. So now cos by sin is what? Cot x, dear students. 1 into cos x is cos x. Cos x by sin x is cot x. So now again same to same. 0 say pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2. And this is pi. This is 3 pi by 2. And this is 2 pi. And this is what? After school to college. Correct? So now see. In 0 to pi by 2, cot x is positive, it is increasing, this option will go. Because they are asked, dear students, decreasing. ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ? ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. So that's why f dash of x must be less than 0. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? 0 ಗಿಂತ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 0 ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. So now see here, what will happen? 0 to pi. 0 to pi if you come, 0 say pi means 0 to pi by 2 it is increasing up. Pi by 2 to pi. Cot x in second quadrant it is decreasing. ಇಲ್ಲಿ increase ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ decrease ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Either increase हो रहा है, either decrease हो रहा है. So then it is what? This is also not correct. But I want what? Only decreasing, not increasing and decreasing. This option is also wrong. So 90 to pi. So 90 to pi is what? Cot x is what here? Second quadrant. Sin and cosec are positive. Sin and cosec are positive. Cot x is negative here, dear students. That means f dash of x is less than 0 in second quadrant. 90 to pi. So it is decreasing, dear students. Option C is correct. C for Congo. Congo is the answer. So now see here. Still I will say this also. Pi say 2 pi. Pi to 3 pi by 2 it is positive. Correct? 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi, it is a negative. Here increasing, here decreasing. So that's why both it is not correct. So both means it is giving positive and negative. That is not a correct answer. We want only decreasing, dear students. I hope it is clear for everyone. So that's why our option is what? C. C for Congo is the correct answer. If you are understanding this video, if you are liking this video, please like my channel. It's a humble request from my side, dear students. I hope you will support and help me. So we'll meet you in my next class. तब तक लगे रहो मैथ्स के साथ, dear students. Please copy this. We'll meet you in my next class. Thank you.